at Rock and Red Studios, man. We going down. Key-May, what up, nigga? Hey, you already know, man.
Don't need come through the door if you ain't got no bag, nigga.
I was white.
Roll up.
Roll one, roll two, smoking that sticky icky, got me glue, we highlight my complexion, you got that fire, then blow it in my direction, what it look like, what it smell like, welcome to my section, ooh, I wrote this song for all my weed smokers, roller, ooh, I wrote this song for all my weed smokers, roller. Inhale to ease my brain. Sometimes I go insane. If I don't smoke, no way. If I can't sip, no drink. This music all I need. It help a nigga think. I want that high money, so I'm smoking to the bank. Chasing cash, blowing hash, man, let's stay high forever. Hope this plane never land, we can stay fly forever. Heavy smoke, blazing good, this weed is so amazing. Riding clouds, floating skies, blunt got my heart racing. I holler, fuck the doctor, cause I didn't have patience. I love when I'm alone, best time to get to facing. Sometimes I roll a minute for certain occasions. I like one for the nation and put that shit in rotation. And then I cheap away. My bitch keep on complaining. I told her that I need some space, cause it's just me and my weed, and she get in our way. I need a bag, you got one. We blow AKs, no shotguns. I roll jobs, no top sons. Yeah, what I smoke to blow your top, son. That kush back to get the job done. I smoke like I ain't got lungs. Fruity flavors on my tongue. Number loud in my bung. Pass around, let's have some fun. Come join the party, it just begun. Come join the party, it just begun. Roll one, roll two. Smoking that sticky icky, got me glue. We highlight my complexion.
I said,
you got that
Nash
fire, then blow it
like Steve Nash or something. What's up, my nigga? What's up, my nigga? What you think, man? Whole team?
You already know it's
So,
roller. Ooh, I wrote this song for all my weed smokers. Roller. And the blunts just keep on going. Keep on going. Round and round. Y'all skip me, man. Pass it back to me.